In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up buy ETFs on Fidelity. We'll walk through the process step by step so you can place your first ETF trade with confidence, whether you're on the Fidelity app or using the website. And yes, we're talking about ETFs, exchange-traded funds like VOO or QQQ, which trade just like stocks. To begin, open the Fidelity app or head to the website and sign in to your brokerage account. Make sure you're in the account you actually want to use for trading. If you're brand new to funding your account, remember you'll need cash available before you can place a buy order. Once you're in, look for the Trade or Transact button. On mobile, it may say Transact. On desktop, it's often Trade. Choose the Stocks ETFs option. This tells Fidelity you want to place an order for something that trades on an exchange. Now, search for the ETF you want by typing the ticker symbol. For example, VOO tracks the S&P 500 and QQQ tracks the NASDAQ 100. You might also see FXAIX, which is a mutual fund version of the S&P 500. ETFs like VOO and QQQ trade throughout the day like stocks, while mutual funds trade once per day, so be sure you select the one that fits your plan. After you found the ETF, select Buy. You'll be prompted to confirm the specific security so you know you're buying the right one. Next, enter your order details. Choose the brokerage account to place the trade from. Decide whether you want to enter the trade in shares or in dollars. Fractional investing may be available, which means you can buy a slice of a share. Enter the quantity or dollar amount. Then pick your order type. A market order aims to buy immediately at the best available price, which can move slightly. A limit order lets you set the maximum price you're willing to pay, giving you more control, especially in fast markets. Choose your time in force. Day means the order expires at the end of the trading day if it doesn't fill, while GTC, good till canceled, keeps it open for longer until it's filled or you cancel it. Before you submit, tap or click Preview Order. Double-check the ticker, account, order type, quantity or dollar amount, estimated cost, and any fees. If everything looks right, place the order. You'll see a confirmation, and if it's a market order during trading hours, it often fills quickly. A few beginner tips. Starting small is totally fine, even $10 to $50. ETFs are already diversified, holding many companies in one fund. And if fractional shares are enabled, you don't need to buy a whole share to get started.